Want to spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your day? These automatic kitchen gadgets are designed to handle the hard work for you. From smart prep tools to hands-free helpers, they make everyday cooking faster, easier, and way more convenient. All products are linked in the description below. Movie night starts with a perfect pop. This tabletop popcorn maker uses hot air instead of oil, giving you a lighter, healthier snack. The swirling airflow design pops more kernels with fewer left behind. It makes a big batch in minutes, perfect for family nights or parties. Fun, fast, and full of classic charm, it brings that theater feeling right to your home. Bring the party home with this smart frozen drink maker. It turns your favorite drinks, sodas, fraps, margaritas, and milkshakes into perfectly smooth slush without ice. Smart sensors automatically adjust the temperature, giving you the ideal texture every time. With a huge 150-ounce capacity and 6 programs, it's perfect for parties or gatherings. The Whisper Chill system keeps drinks at the right temperature for up to 12 hours, so you can sip, share, and enjoy all day. Cook big meals anywhere with this electric skillet. Its 12-inch square surface and 3-inch depth handle. Everything from chili to casseroles for the whole family. The cast aluminum base heats evenly, while adjustable temperature control up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit lets you fry, simmer, or sauté with precision. Smart lid clamps make transport spill-free, perfect for potlucks or tailgates. Plus, its space-saving design, cool touch handles, and sleek finish keep your kitchen organized and stylish. Make fresh, golden donuts in minutes with this commercial automatic donut machine. The 3,000-watt power heats fast and boosts production, so you can create more donuts in less time. It flips each donut automatically for even cooking, and the smart control panel makes operation simple. Choose from 3 sizes and adjustable thicknesses to suit any menu or customer. Built from stainless steel with a large hopper and oil tank, it's perfect for cafes, bakeries, or food stands. Say goodbye to hand washing with this portable countertop dishwasher. It packs 9 wash programs, from quick fruit washes to baby bottles and heavy-duty scrubbing, all with 167 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature cleaning. 3 spray arms and a hot air drying system leave your dishes spotless and dry, while the 72-hour air refresh keeps them hygienic. Choose between the built-in water tank or connecting to a faucet for maximum convenience. Compact yet roomy, it fits apartments, RVs, or dorms, cleaning for 4 to 6 people while saving water and effort. Upgrade your kitchen with this 32-inch undermount workstation sink. It's a single bowl design with a built-in ledge, letting you slide in accessories like a cutting board, colander, or roll-up drying rack. Made from premium 16-gauge stainless steel, it resists rust and hides scratches with its brushed finish. Soundproof undercoating keeps it quiet, while the sloped bottom ensures fast drainage. Everything you need comes included, making installation simple and your kitchen workflow seamless. Turn your food scraps into plant-friendly fertilizer with this electric kitchen composter. Just toss in your kitchen waste, press one button, and let the sharp tri-blade system grind and dry it into fine powder. It holds up to 2.5 liters, so you can compost several types of waste at once. Built-in carbon filters keep odors under control, while the aluminum bucket is easy to clean. In about 4 hours, your scraps are ready to nourish plants or reduce trash volume. Turn your kitchen into a one-stop cooking hub with this all-in-one Combi Cooker and air fryer. You can bake, roast, steam, air fry, and even sous vide, all with one appliance. It cooks full meals in just 15 minutes, so your proteins, veggies, and grains are ready together, faster than a wall oven. The Hypersteam and Air Fry combo keeps food juicy inside and crispy outside. Cleanup is easy too, with dishwasher-safe trays and a pan that doubles as a serving dish. Thaw meat faster and smarter with this USB rechargeable defrosting tray. Just place your frozen meat on the high thermal conductivity aluminum surface and watch it quickly reach the perfect semi-defrosted state, keeping it juicy and tender. You can set the timer anywhere from 10 to 40 minutes depending on thickness. The touch-sensitive controls make it easy for anyone to use, and the lid keeps meat clean while defrosting. Compact, portable, and easy to charge, it's perfect for home or outdoor cooking. Fresh bread at the push of a button. This automatic bread maker makes it happen. Just add your ingredients, pick a cycle, and hit start. You can bake 1, 1.5, or 2-pound loaves with light, medium, or dark crusts. It even beeps when it's time to add fruit, nuts, or seeds, so your bread comes out perfect every time. The digital display and timer let you program and watch your loaf. Plus, it keeps bread warm for an hour after baking. Take your favorite meals on the road with this traveling slow cooker. The removable porcelain pot is easy to clean and completely PFAS free. A locking lid keeps everything spill-proof, while the cool touch exterior and swing-up handle make carrying simple. It even has a silicone cord to hold a utensil and a detachable holder that doubles as a spoon rest. Plus, the dry erase board lets you label your dishes for easy meal prep on the go. Brew coffee like a pro in just minutes. This 8-cup drip coffee maker heats water instantly and keeps the temperature perfect for rich, flavorful coffee. Its pour-over style and adjustable flow control let you craft bold or smooth brews exactly how you like. The removable water tank and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless. Plus, it even handles deep cold brew for smooth, refreshing iced coffee anytime. Spray your oil like a pro chef. This advanced oil sprayer delivers a fine, even mist with every press, so you control exactly how much you use. Anti-drip technology keeps your countertop clean, while the ergonomic handle makes continuous spraying effortless. Made from durable, food-grade glass, it works with olive oil, vinegar, or sauces. Refillable, reusable, and easy to clean. It's perfect for healthy cooking or salad dressings. Clean hands without touching a thing. This automatic soap dispenser uses an infrared sensor to release soap the moment you place your hand underneath. 5 adjustable levels let you control exactly how much soap you get, from a small drop to a full pump. The large transparent tank shows when it's time for a refill. With its sleek, waterproof design, it fits perfectly in kitchens, bathrooms, or anywhere you wash up. Grab a paper towel without touching anything. This automatic dispenser senses your hand and delivers exactly the number of sheets you need. It keeps your roll clean by retracting unused sheets, so towels stay dry and neat. Easy to install under a cabinet, it works with most paper towel brands and sizes. Replacing the roll is simple. Just open, load, and set your preferred sheet length. Chopping food just got a lot quicker. These clever kitchen scissors combine a knife and cutting board into one simple tool. Just place your food between the blades and squeeze to slice fruits, veggies, meat, or herbs in seconds. Ribbed and flat blades help you handle different foods with ease. A safety lock keeps everything secure when stored, and the detachable parts make cleaning fast and simple. Opening cans shouldn't feel like a workout. This electric can opener does the job for you with a simple push of a lever. The blade cuts along the side of the can, leaving smooth edges that are safe to touch. Its extra tall design easily handles both small cans and taller ones. You also get a built-in knife sharpener and bottle opener, turning one tool into a handy little kitchen helper. Season your food like a chef with just a simple tilt. These electric salt and pepper grinders start working automatically the moment you turn them upside down. 2 grinding speeds let you choose a fine sprinkle or a bolder burst of flavor. Bright LED lights help you see exactly how much seasoning you're adding. They're rechargeable, quiet, and even reverse themselves after use to prevent clogs and keep the grinder clean. Bring the taste of street food right into your kitchen. This vertical rotating oven slowly spins your meat so it cooks evenly on every side. It's perfect for shawarma, kebabs, rotisserie chicken, and more. A powerful heating element cooks food quickly, while the timer lets you control the process with ease. The heat-resistant glass door keeps everything visible, and the included skewers make it easy to load up your next delicious meal. Stirring your food doesn't have to keep you stuck at the stove. This automatic pan stirrer does the mixing for you while you focus on other things. Just place it in the pot, press the button, and it begins rotating on its own. 3 speed settings let you handle everything from delicate sauces to thick porridge. Heat-resistant legs keep it safe for non-stick pans, and the removable parts make cleanup quick and easy. Meet your new kitchen helper, the electric self-stirring pot. With 1,000 watts of power, it heats quickly and evenly, perfect for stir-frying, stewing, or simmering. The 360-degree rotating pot stirs your food automatically, so nothing sticks or burns. Its 6-liter capacity makes family meals a breeze, and one-click programs handle everything from frying to steaming. The non-stick detachable pot makes cleanup just as easy as cooking. Turn any table into a fun dipping party. This electric fondue pot lets you melt cheese, chocolate, or sauces and share them with everyone around you. The adjustable temperature dial keeps everything perfectly warm, so your dip stays smooth instead of clumpy. 6 color-coded forks help everyone keep track of their bites. With cool touch handles and a sturdy stainless steel pot, you can serve, dip, and clean up with ease. Peeling and coring fruit has never been this easy. This automatic apple and pear peeler does it in seconds, saving you time and effort. The stable suction base keeps it steady while you spin, and the safety design keeps your fingers out of harm's way. It works on apples, pears, peaches, and more, making it perfect for family meals or parties. Plus, the removable blades make cleaning quick and hassle-free. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.